Hi guys, it's Michelle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for a Caribbean favorite dish, chicken and rice cook-up or Pelau. However, before I get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to cook delicious Caribbean dishes. For this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients: 2 cups of rice, 4 to 5 cups of water, 10 chicken wings cut into halves, half onion chopped along with a half red and green bell pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of gravy browning, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons adobo complete seasoning, and enough salt to taste, and red kidney beans. The first thing I'm going to do is to slowly cook the chicken. My chicken has already been cleaned and seasoned. If you want to learn how to do that, you can check out my video on how to clean and season chicken. Now, I have placed a pot over medium heat and I am adding the gravy browning. Now, gravy browning can be found in any supermarket. It is something that we use to make and add flavor to our stews and add color to our meats. Now I added the gravy browning to 2 cups of water. Then I added the onions and the chopped bell peppers. Now I am grating in the garlic. I love to grate garlic because I find that it gives the dish a better flavor. So I am grating the cloves of garlic. To this, I am going to add my chicken and let them slowly cook until almost tender, so about 30 to 35 minutes before adding the rice. While the chicken cooks, I am going to cook the red kidney beans. Now, if you guys have ever dealt with kidney beans, you know that they take a long time to cook. So what I am going to do to speed up the process is to cook them in the pressure cooker. Beans are very nutritious, and so for this recipe I'm going to use 1.5 cups of red kidney beans along with 3 cups of water. Place them into the pressure cooker with a bit of salt and cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are just al dente. Then I'm going to set them aside until I'm ready to place them into the pot with the chicken. While the peas and chicken slowly cooks, I am going to prepare the rice. This is the next step in the process. So I have 2 cups of rice and I am washing the rice. Now guys, it's important that you wash the rice to remove any starch or dirt that may be on the rice. This is important. You run it under cold water a few times and you can use your hands, which is better, to wash it. Rub it against each other so that all of the dirt or starch is removed. So you do this a few times, as I said earlier, under cold water until the water runs clear, and once that is clear, then the rice is ready to be cooked. So once I've prepared it, I am going to set it aside until I'm ready to add it to the chicken. Now let's take a look at the chicken. They have been cooking for a while now. Here is how the chicken looks. I am now going to add the kidney beans to the chicken mixture and stir so as to incorporate all of the flavors. Then to that, I am going to add some more water to the pot along with the rice. This dish is very popular in the Caribbean, guys. Sometimes we just have it with chicken only, or we have it with chicken and pork, or we have it with chicken, pork, and saltfish. And it's good every time. This is something, guys, that you definitely need to try. So I've added the water And now I'm going to add the rice to the pot. This is what we call a one-pot meal, guys, because we are just using one pot to cook an entire meal. So now that I've added the rice, I'm going to stir it to incorporate the flavors. Then I am going to add the rest of the seasoning. I am going to add the onion powder, a bit of cayenne pepper, along with some paprika and the adobo complete seasoning. I'm going to stir all of those together. Then I am going to cover the pot and allow it to cook over low heat until the rice is tender. Guys, this dish, you can do it with the gravy browning as I did in the beginning, or you can do it without the gravy browning. I prefer to use the gravy browning, but your preference may be different, so you can try it either which way and see which one you like and let me know. Be sure to check the pot during the cooking process so that if you need to add more water, you can do so. And guys, this is it. Voila! It is chicken and rice cook-up or Pelau. This, guys, is an awesome dish. It's a one-pot meal and it is just the bomb. So guys, here I have it. You have the rice with the chicken and the red kidney beans. This is it, guys. Here you have it. So you can give it a try and let me know how it turns out. If you have a larger or smaller family, you can always change the quantities of the ingredients to suit your needs. So guys, this is it. Cook up or Pelau done the Caribbean way. Guys, this is something that we enjoy in Nevis, the beautiful island of Nevis. Remember, from my cozy kitchen to yours, enjoy. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for new video uploads. I upload videos every Friday. The recipe for this dish is in the description below. Thanks for viewing and thanks for all of your support. Don't forget to watch my other videos on this channel. Thank you.